Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and this is DJI's new FPV drone that was released today. And you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order it online. Now, did I order the new DJI FPV drone, and why did I or why did I not order it? Well, let me break this down for y'all. And this is check with the governing bodies in your country and see what the regulations may be. But I fly primarily in the United States of America. And with that being the case, there's a few things, and again, I'm not a lawyer. This is not legal advice. But there's a few things within the United States of America that would make operating this drone difficult. And for me, for example, unless regulations change, this isn't something that would be of value for me. The reason being, this is FPV, first person view, meaning that I'm wearing goggles to fly the drone. Now, although it looks like an amazing experience, and I'm sure it is, and having that stabilized video, and this is geared more towards racing and acrobatics and that sort of stuff. But the fact that it uses the FPV goggles means that if I was flying this drone, that I would have goggles on my head and I would be unable to maintain visual line of sight with the aircraft. So with that being the case, and again, I'm not a lawyer, but with that being the case, my assumption would be that I would likely be violating the visual line of sight requirement because I would not be able to maintain visual line of sight with the drone. So for that reason, I'm not in on this one. I love DJI. They're the best drone manufacturer in the world, in my opinion. But because this is using, FPV goggles, and granted, it would be a lot of fun. And I'm sure there's a lot of people that will have a lot of fun with this. And if you're wanting to have a lot of fun with one, expand this video's description and then click the link there and you can find where to order it online. But for me, I analyze everything. And this just seems like a bad idea, because potentially I would be getting something that, definitely I would want to use, definitely I would want to enjoy, I would want to share the journey with all of y'all on YouTube, but I'm not going to get in on something like this that, could create problems. And, it's not worth it. There's risk reward. So for me, I'm just going to tell you the truth, and that's that this drone looks amazing. But because of what I just stated, I'm not going to be picking one up. But I strongly encourage you to expand this video's description and click the link there. Just simply head on over to epicdroneshow.com, man, and click buy a drone. And you can find it there and all the accessories. This comes in other colors too, by the way. So, yeah, I just wanted to post this video because hundreds of y'all have asked, hey man, are you getting the new DJI FPV drone? Are you getting it? Nope. And I hate to say that, but, sometimes regulations can ruin a good time. Now, what I am excited about is the next drone from DJI, whether it be the Mavic 3 or the Mavic Mini 3 or Mavic Air 3, who knows what's going to be next. The next cinematic drone. I'm looking forward to that. But this FPV drone, yeah, it looks like a cool toy. But again, just too much opportunity for unpleasant experiences here. And I just don't want to have to deal with that. I'll stick with my cinematic drones. Tell me what you think. Are you disappointed? Are you picking one up? Hey, are you picking one up through the link within this video's description? What do you think? Tell me what you think below. Because, it's odd for a DJI drone to come out and me to not purchase it. But, that's a sad reality, man. When you're dealing with regulations, that's a sad reality. They can hamper the fun. They sure can. Thanks for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe and check out my thousands of drone videos that I have online now. And stay tuned for thousands more drone videos soon. Unless regulations change, though, we're not going to see videos of the DJI FPV drone on my channel. I mean, you know, I could get one and take it out of the box and do that kind of stuff, but that's no fun. If you do that, then you're going to want to fly it. And then that's when the trouble could begin. And I don't want trouble. I don't have time for trouble. So thanks for your viewership, and be sure to subscribe and ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. And again, if you're shopping for the DJI FPV drone, or maybe you're just looking for another type of drone, expand this video's description and then click the link there and you can find where to order them all online. Appreciate your viewership, and want to remind y'all too, I've got subscriptions now. So if you want to become a member of the channel, click that join button and you can learn more. Or simply subscribe and like this video and share with others. Y'all have a good day. Hey, and always remember, be a responsible drone pilot. You are your own drone evangelist. Preach drone safety, and it can be preached non-verbally. Y'all have a good day.